Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to come to you and talk about my weight loss journey. So I have decided to just choose to live a healthy lifestyle by eating right. And I started doing this about 3 weeks ago, and so far I've lost about 8 pounds, which I'm really happy. So I've lost 8 pounds in 3 weeks. And I have to admit, I have not exercised yet. I have just been working so much overtime at work, so I haven't had the time to exercise. However, I do recommend exercising. That way you can maintain your weight loss. But I have to say that I'm really super proud of myself just because I chose to make a decision on living a better, healthy lifestyle. And so the way that I've lost weight is just I cut out all the junk food, which I love snack cakes. So that's something, if you guys don't know, I do love snack cakes, but I have just chosen to cut back on just eating a lot of unhealthy foods. And I can tell that ever since I started eating healthy and eating good and eating right, that my skin has flourished, my hair is flourishing. So in this video, I just wanted to come to you and show you or talk to you about some of the things that I eat that's helped me to actually lose weight. I won't say that food helps you lose weight, but I will say that eating right does help you lose weight. But keep in mind, to actually maintain the weight and to keep the weight off, you do have to exercise. So I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a fitness expert. These are just some of the things that work for me. So I just wanted to come on this channel today and give you guys some tips and just some of the things that I've done to help me lose weight. So if you want to know how I lost weight and what I've eaten to help me with my weight loss, then just keep on watching. So the way that we're going to kick this off is I'm going to start with like breakfast, and then start with maybe like brunch, a snack, lunch, and then dinner. So one thing that I've been really implementing and doing really good on is eating breakfast. I'm not really a fan of breakfast. I just always just haven't been the type of person to like eating breakfast, even though I know that's one of the most important meals of the day. So since I've started eating healthy, I've decided to make breakfast a part of my healthy lifestyle. Again, I'm not a breakfast person, but I have forced myself to become a breakfast person. I think just mainly because I've always been in a rush and trying to get out the house to get to work, and it just never crossed my mind to just even grab something for breakfast. But 3 weeks ago, I started eating breakfast, and I do believe that it is one of the reasons why my metabolism has boosted. So one of the things that I do like to eat now is cereal, and one of my favorites that I've been eating is the fruit and yogurt await. And this here, I just bought it from Walmart. It is the Great Value brand, but it works just as well. So I've really been loving eating cereal, and I also like to use the Silk almond milk. So I've been using these two together, of course, and I like to eat that for breakfast. Plus, it doesn't take long to eat, so I'm able, if I'm in a hurry, I can just grab a small bowl of cereal and just eat that. Sometimes I like to do a smoothie, and typically I'll do like maybe like strawberries and blueberries. I'm going to show you guys what I have. So I do have strawberries and blueberries, and I like to use my Silk almond milk to make a smoothie, and that's really good. And then I like the pineapple chunks. It's one of my favorites as well, but I typically like to use just because if I'm really wanting to get a good vitamin C, I'll do like kind of like orange juice and put some pineapples in it and kind of do a smoothie like that. So I love that. And then also I've been doing the mixed fruit. This has pineapple, strawberries, peaches, and mango in it. So after 2 to 2.5 hours, lately I've been drinking tea. And I am not a brown tea fan. The only thing that I really care for mainly is just green tea. I've never liked brown tea for some reason, and I just started drinking tea probably about, I don't know, maybe 5-6 years ago. I really like the green teas or some type of clean tea. I just never been the type of person to drink brown tea, but I do find that tea is very soothing and is very helpful. It does kind of relax you as well, and it does kind of curb your appetite also. So I have been trying for the past maybe about a week or so, I've been trying the TEAMI skinny tea, and it looks just like this. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this on Instagram, and I have to say that I really like it. This is actually my first time trying it within the past week or so, and I have to say I am really impressed with this tea. Now TEAMI did reach out to me and provided this tea for me, and I have to say guys, it is amazing. It does curb your appetite. It's really good. I like to put a little bit of honey in mine just to give it just a little sweet taste, not much, but just a little, because I have cut back on a lot of sugar or a lot of sugary things or sugary foods, but I do put just a hint of honey in it, and it just works so good. If you guys have not tried this, I definitely recommend that you guys try it. They have more than just the skinny tea. They also have the colon one that cleanses your colon, which works super well. And guys, I was pretty shocked. They actually have skincare products as well, like a mask, and I cannot wait to try that. Also, with this tea, it does come with the infuser, so it looks just like this. And basically what you do is you put about a teaspoon of this tea into the infuser, and then while your water is warm or is hot, you'll go ahead and dip this down off into the tea, and then that's how you get your tea to be flavorful. So I can truly say guys that this is really amazing. It has helped me and curbing my appetite. So yeah, if you guys have not tried this out, check the link in the description box below, as I do have a 15% off. So all you have to do is put in Shanice 15, that's CHINISE 15. And again, I'll have it linked down in the description box below so that you guys can get your hands on this. So about an hour and a half to 2 hours later is when I will go ahead and eat my lunch. And lunch is really simple for me. I usually just do a salad. I usually don't put any meat in it because I'll sometimes eat salads for dinner, and that's when I like to put my meat in. But typically it's a salad, or I'll eat a sandwich. So if I do a sandwich, I do a sandwich with a good deli meat or deli fresh meat. I usually just do the Oscar Mayer. And I've been loving the cracked black pepper turkey breast. I'm almost out, but it looks just like this here. So I've been doing that a lot, and I know I cannot eat a sandwich without cheese, so I do like maybe white cheddar cheese. Then I put my sandwich together with this turkey breast, and guys, I love it. It is so good. It's very lightweight. I don't deprive myself of eating good foods. I do eat healthy, but I don't deprive myself of eating food. So I'll take just a small handful of chips, and I usually like to just do like the salt and vinegar chips. And then as far as with maybe like a dessert, because like I said, I don't want to deprive myself of eating good foods, I may just do a yogurt with this. So I'll do like a sandwich and chips and yogurt, or I do sandwich, chips, grapes, or I do maybe like a chicken salad if I don't do a sandwich. Where I work at, they do have a cafe where you can go down and make salads, so sometimes I'll go and get that. I do still make sure that it's light, so it's not too heavy, it's not sitting on my stomach or anything like that as I go about the rest of my day at work. So I've found that to be really helpful. Plus everything is pretty much low in calories for me, so that's really helpful for me as well. So last but not least is the dinner portion, and I like to eat anything, a lot of tilapia, salmon. That's really my favorite to eat for dinner because it's still lightweight to me. So I've been doing either like tilapia or salmon. I usually like to get these two just because they work just as good. I like to season them to how I like it, which is not a lot just because I am cutting back on not having too much seasoning on my foods as well. But I do like tilapia and salmon, so I'll do either or. I'll do brown rice here and there, or I'll try to do broccoli. If I don't have it's like some type of fish, then I'll do like maybe like grilled chicken, or I'll have a salad as I was stating. Sometimes I do put meat in my salad, but I've been loving this one here. And this is by John Souls Foods. This is rotisserie season. Let's see. And it looks just like this. So I've been loving putting that in my salads, and I like to make them really big and fluffy and nice. So I'll do that. that is pretty much what I've been doing the past 3 weeks, is eating some of those type of foods. Now those are not something that I eat every single day. I do like to switch it up and change it up with other different foods, but those are like some of my main foods that I like to eat. So eating those types of food has really helped me in losing weight. I would say also just do your research on what works for you. These are just some of the things that work for me. Also, in maintaining and keeping the weight off, I typically like to do Zumba. Like I said, I have not been able to exercise in the 3 weeks on my weight loss journey, just because I've been working crazy hours and just working overtime. But I do plan on jumping in and starting back on Zumba. That has helped me. 5 or 6 years ago, I lost like 30 pounds eating right, eating some of the foods that I mentioned, and then also just doing Zumba, because it's a lot of cardio, a lot of moving. So that has really helped me back in the day. And so I am hoping to jump on and jump back into Zumba. I love doing Zumba. It's really exciting as well, and it gets your adrenaline pumping. So that is pretty much all that I wanted to mention. But yeah, if you guys have any questions that I could be able to answer, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye!